Most people assume all learning management systems are the same, but the surprising truth is that Paradiso LMS offers a unique combination of features that can really transform how your organization trains employees or educates students. I recently tested it, so here's my full usage experience. Paradiso LMS is a cloud-based platform designed for businesses, universities, and training providers. One of its standout features is its flexibility. You can create custom courses, track learner progress, and integrate third-party tools like Zoom, Salesforce, or e-commerce platforms. Most people get this wrong by assuming setting up an LMS is complicated. Paradiso actually has a very user-friendly interface. Creating courses involves drag-and-drop modules, adding quizzes, and setting completion criteria. Even if you're not tech-savvy, it's surprisingly intuitive. You won't believe what happens next. It also offers gamification features like badges, leaderboards, and points, which really boost learner engagement. In my testing, courses with gamification had higher completion rates compared to plain modules. Reporting is another area where Paradiso shines. You can generate detailed analytics on learner performance, course completion, and user activity. This is incredibly useful for managers who need to monitor ROI on training programs. The surprising truth is that Paradiso LMS isn't just for large enterprises. Even small businesses or niche training providers can benefit because the platform scales to your needs and offers affordable pricing tiers. Overall, my experience with Paradiso LMS was positive. It's powerful, flexible, and user-friendly. Just make sure to explore its integration options and gamification features. They really make a difference in learner engagement. If this review helped you understand Paradiso LMS, subscribe for more honest software reviews before investing in your next learning platform.